Ay, okay. Ito yung tanong ni Jazel. Is there a recommended loan amount or max loan amount for applying a personal loan? Because alam ko sa housing loan, the recommended is monthly payment should only be around 30% of my income.
All right. So, okay, that's a good question, no? For personal loan, minimum loanable natin is 30,000, maximum of 2 million. Then our loan terms is 12, 18, 24, and 36 months. So about sa percentage of your income, sa personal loans naman, at least 40% of your income would be part of the monthly amortization. So of course, we would like to have a certain chunk ng iyong sweldo ay magagamit mo naman for your, parang in-explain natin kanina, for your bills and for your savings na rin. So ayaw naman natin i-consumo yung buong partner sweldo mo is just pangbayad lang ng utang, di ba?
Mm-hmm. And I think, again, that's one advantage of applying sa SB Finance. Kasi, ano siya, no? It really puts your best interest at heart. Kasi I'm sure pag umutang ka sa 5-6, wala silang pakialam kung magkano yung uutangin mo, no? Basta ibibigay nila without considering kung kaya mo ba siyang bayaran. So, para sa akin, no, kung ma-reject ka sa application mo sa personal loan, it doesn't mean na ayaw ka nila. They just think na you're not ready, or probably you could apply for a lower amount kasi alam nila na if they approve your loan, it could get you into more financial trouble in the future. So I think maganda na yun yung perspective natin when we're applying for a personal loan.
Yes, that's true, Sir Fitz, no? So when we give or approve a personal loan for a certain customer, hindi lang basta kunyari gusto niya 500,000, no, sige, bigay ko na yung 500,000 agad-agad, di ba? So we tailor fit yung kanyang approval dun sa kapasidad din na para naman matulungan natin si customers. For customer, kunyari, Sir Fitz, we could lend muna for a 250 for you for now. Then eventually, once we build our credit score, ma-increase din natin yan. Kasi pwede na tayo mag-reloan pag naka-half na tayo ng term. Kunyari, 24 months yung loan mo. Pag after 12 months, maganda yung performance mo, mas madali na makakapag-apply ka na ulit ng reloan na tinatawag natin, no? Or top up.
Pwede pala yung gano'n, no?
Oo.
Ito may tanong si Romero.
Hindi mo kailangan tapusin ng buong term. Kahit kalahati lang, pwede ka na mag-top up.
Actually, maganda strategy yan, lalo na sa mga gumagamit ng loan sa pagnenegosyo. Di ba? At least kung half na and you have plans for expansion or alam mo yun, kailangan mo ng additional capital for business operations. So, pwede palang gano'n, no, mag-loan habang nagbabayad pa. So, at least meron kang new influx of cash flow na pwede mong gamitin for the business. Yan.
Yes. Meron kaming mga customer na ganyan na suki na talaga. As in literal na suki na. Mga 8 times na silang nagre-reloan, nagta-top up. Tapos mga 10 times, ganun na sila katagal, ka-loyal din. No? So, niro-roll din nila for the business part.